Tired of juggling domain registrars, LLC services, and marketing tools separately? Here's how to get everything in one kit from Namecheap. No more bouncing between a dozen different websites, trying to piece together what you actually need to start a legitimate online business. We're going to cut through all that noise. We'll walk through Namecheap's site, find the business starter kit, and set up your LLC with Tailor brands. Let's go. So, start at the Namecheap homepage. This is where you'd normally come to register a domain. But today, we're looking for something bigger. I've spent a lot of time poking around this interface, and the real shortcut is right in the main navigation. You don't need to search for it or dig through any settings menus. Now, look up at the top menu bar and find the tab that says Marketing Tools. Click on that. This is the gateway to everything business-related that Namecheap offers beyond just domains. And here's the thing. Most folks overlook this section entirely. They stick to the domain search bar and miss out on the really useful stuff tucked away in here. Once you're on the Marketing Tools page, you'll see a few different options. What we want is the card that says Business Starter Kit. Go ahead and click on that. This is the central hub you're looking for. It bundles your domain, your LLC formation, and some branding tools, all into one purchase. In my experience, this is significantly cheaper than trying to buy each service individually from random providers. All right, so now you're on the Business Starter Kit landing page. You should see a highlighted area or a featured button that really stands out on the page. Click on that highlight. This is where Namecheap shows off the main value prop, exactly what's included in the kit. Take a quick look at the list. It usually covers your domain for a year, the LLC filing service, and some logo design tools from Tailor brands. Next up, scroll down or look for the button that says Start Your LLC. Click on that. This is the part that used to feel the most intimidating to me, forming a legal business entity. But this button hands you off directly to Tailor brands, which is a reputable service that Namecheap partners with. They handle all the paperwork. You're not filling out confusing government forms alone. You'll now see another highlighted action on the Tailor brands page. Click on that highlight to kick off the formation process. It will likely ask you for some basic info about your business idea or name. Have an idea ready, even a rough one. The system will check availability for you. Now, this is a big step. Click on Choose Your State. This dropdown is critical because your LLC needs to be registered in a specific state. If you live and operate in one state, that's usually your best bet. But if you're planning an online business with no physical location, some people choose a business-friendly state like Delaware or Wyoming. The tool will walk you through the pros and cons, so don't stress too much here. Finally, once you've picked your state, click on Continue. This confirms your selection and moves you toward the checkout and final setup. Your information will get queued up, and Tailor brands will file the paperwork on your behalf. It might take a few days for the state to process everything, so don't expect instant approval. And there you have it. You went from not knowing where to start to having a domain, an LLC in progress, and marketing tools all lined up from one place. No more juggling tabs or wondering if you missed something. Now you know exactly how to grab everything in that business starter kit. If this helped, check out the description for more resources on getting your business off the ground.